So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your username in Fiverr. So the first thing you want to do is go to fiverr.com. After that, log in. As you can see at the very beginning, it says welcome to Fiverr and then my username. Now if I want to change it, I will go to the top part of the page so I can find Fiverr, the search, upgrade to Pro. You can see notifications, messages, lists, orders, and you can see your account right here. See profile, settings, and so on. So I suggest you go to settings. Now through here you can put in your full name. You need to go public. You can see account deactivation and many more. If it's not popping up on here, you can just go and try it through your profile, but it can be found even there. So on here you can see explore. You can see your profile right here. And once you're here, you may want to switch to seller mode and try changing it through there if it's not set up already. So you can see here the edit button to help build the credible and authentic connections. You can change your display name. Now that's one way to do that, but what I suggest and what Fiverr itself suggests is to deactivate your account. And you can see here, choose a reason. I want to change my username, and through there deactivate your account, and you will start off by creating a new account with a new username. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Fiverr or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.